Starting around 31 walk 2024 Star Atlas Dow truly is exchanging at $4794 in term of its asked rate with a value change of 51% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a genuinely large manner. Poly sort of has an all-out market cap of $118,640,619 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $160,175 in an exceptionally significant manner. This in every way that really matters makes Star Atlas Dow Poly's all things considered positioning at 452 in the digital currency market in a very significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Star Atlas Dow cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas Dow sort of be by and large worth in 2024, which all things considered is genuinely critical? Is Star Atlas Dow a truly wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, which all things considered is genuinely critical? Will Poly's cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, which really is very huge? These sort of are our Star Atlas Dow cost expectations for Poly's future in a fundamentally significant manner. Star Atlas Dow Poly's value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas Dow estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Poly's cost explicitly is supposed to essentially cross a by and large normal value level of $1.16622. The normal pretty least value worth of Star Atlas Dow toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to generally be zealous of 64.23 in a fundamentally huge manner. Besides, Poly's can really arrive at a greatest value level of $0.7726 in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas Dow Poly's value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Star Atlas Dow in walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.779 and $377, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around 0.5 of 227, showing how generally is Star Atlas Dow and in every practical sense, wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, or so they most certainly thought. Star Atlas Dow value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the truly greatest cost for Star Atlas Dow could truly stretch around 0.586, which generally is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Poly's in April 2024 sort of as 0.535 with a very normal cost of $384, which in a real sense is very critical. Star Atlas Dow value figure May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Star Atlas Dow really is supposed to explicitly be at around at least $4.58297 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas Dow cost can in a real sense arrive at an all things considered limit of $0.588 with the really normal cost of $5.46 in USD, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Star Atlas Dow Poly's value expectation June 2024. The cost for Star Atlas Dow in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.548 and $6.23, or so they especially thought. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to be around $656. Star Atlas Dow Poly's value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Star Atlas Dow cost in a real sense is estimate to all things considered, arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of $684 amazingly. The Poly's cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of $602.49 with a very normal expected cost around $583 in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas Dow Poly's value conjecture August 2024. The Star Atlas Dow Poly's cost for August 2024 may really arrive at an especially least worth of $5,801, while the by and large most extreme estimated value sort of is around $6,543, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The sort of typical cost for Poly's explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to really reach $6,000 in August 2024. Further appearance how Star Atlas Dow Poly's value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Star Atlas Dow in walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $4,779 and $5,377, or so they fundamentally thought. Star Atlas Dow value expectation September 2024. Star Atlas Dow cost certainly is supposed to generally reach between $5,871 to $6,783 in September 2024, while the typical cost of Poly's for the September by and large stays around $6,020. Star Atlas Dow value forecast October 2024. Star Atlas DAO cost really is supposed to sort of reach between $6.44 to $7,089 in October 2024, while the kind of typical cost of Polies for the October stays around $9,043 Star Atlas DAO value. Expectation November 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to essentially reach at the very least worth of $0.6293 in November 2024 in a sort of huge way. The Polies cost could by and large arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $0.7401 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.6492 all through 2024, which explicitly shows that will Polies cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking, kind of high in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO by and large is supposed to, for the most part, be at around a really least of $0.6423, or so they explicitly thought. Star Atlas DAO cost can, for the most part, arrive at a sort of limit of $0.17726 with a genuinely normal cost of $0.6022 in USD, or so they sort of thought. Star Atlas DAO most certainly passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been really diminished by 4.6% in its most certainly current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we truly analyze the in every practical sense current market cap of the Polies with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap especially is additionally down, or so they truly thought. From especially most recent 7 days, the Polies essentially was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 793%. Further appearance how Star Atlas DAO Polies value estimate August 2024. The Star Atlas DAO Polies cost for August 2024 may arrive at least worth of $5,801, while the greatest anticipated cost especially is around $543, or so they especially thought. Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and basically contribute. Star Atlas DAO value gauge 2024 facts. What will for the most part be Star Atlas DAO essentially worth in 2024, which really is genuinely huge. The Polies cost in a real sense is estimated to especially arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.7726 with pretty least cost of $0.6423 toward the finish of 2024 in a sort of huge manner. Stars Atlas DAO certainly have a future, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO sort of has an exceptional certainly potential to truly arrive at new levels, kind of additional appearance how Star Atlas DAO generally has shown extremely kind of solid in every practical sense, potential recently. And this could be decent an open door to generally dive right in and explicitly put resources into an unpretentious way. It in a real sense is conjecture that Polies will increment in esteem, so will Polies cost outperform